We are often asked, what is youth success coaching? Well, I want you to know that youth success coaching isn't totally new. It has mentorship, guidance, counseling, academic advising, and tutoring components. The Smile Factory's Youth Success Coaching Program was created for us by us. We support, motivate, inspire, laugh, love, and empower youth from all walks of life. From smart goal setting, checking up on grades, connecting with parents and teachers to strengthening the foundations of reading and math are just some of the things that we can look forward to when connecting with the Smile Factory. It takes a village to raise a kid. Allow us to be a part of your village.